Welcome to my latest video. In this video I will demonstrate to you how to remove distracting wires from this street scene. This has now become very much automatic with the latest version of Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to make a copy of the background and we're going to name it Remove Wires. With the Remove Wires selected, we're going to go to our tool palette, and from our tool palette we're going to select this little tool here. That looks like a band-aid. So if we click on that, you'll find in your top toolbar you've got options that have opened, and we're going to click on Find Distractions, and from it we're going to select Wires and Cables. At this point the computer has analysed the image, and when it's found the wires and cables, it will remove them. It's done an excellent job. Let's just zoom in and I will just show you how good the image actually is. So we're going to turn off the remove wires, and we can see all of the wires on the underlying image, and we can just have a look and see how it's dealt with the building structures when it's removed the wires. And you can see it's done a fantastic job. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next.